ជំរាបសួរតោះរៀនខ្មែរជាមួយនុត Hello, let's study Khmer with Nut. So for EP 5 ទី5យើងបន្តទៀត So we continue from last time. So last time we finished by letter no, right? So today we will continue from letter consonant, not letter. Consonant to, yes. For alphabet is T, letter T. So consonant to, we continue. After that I will review, but now let's start first. To, to, do, to, no. To, to, do, to, no. So letter to and to for English is the same consonant T, the same, right? And to and to also the same, but it's different. The group A and group B, right? Group O and group O. And different from last week, last time. To and this to is the same, but just different writing. And normally for this to, rarely to use. We always use this to than this to. But for like for food, almost we use the same. This to food or to food always use. But the letter, the consonant, we use this to. This is rarely used. And to is the same. This to and to the same pronunciation, but the same to and to too. This to almost used, but this to rarely to use. But for food or like, yes, almost we use the same. And then no, no and no. No is A group and no is B group. For English alphabet is the same and almost used to. Okay, so again, to, 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 no. And this is food. Okay. And I just renew again. Có, khó, cô, khô, ngô. Chó, chó, chồ, chố, nhồ. Đo, thó, đồ, thố, nò. To, thó, tổ, thố, nồ. Okay, and then we continue vowel 2, right? So for vowel, last week we learned by is right. E, A, I, O. So today we continue. This is ao, ao, um, um, am, ah, ah. Okay, this sound used with the A group consonant. Ao, ah. We use with the black one, this consonant. And when we use with the B group consonant, this vowel will change the sound, become um, 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 eh, eh. Okay. This become um, yeah. This and is when become the use with B consonant, group B consonant, it will be the same sound, and But when we use with the A consonant group, this is and this is Okay. So let's combine consonant and vowel together. So example, to. So to, this A group, right? So become tau, tau. To the same, to and then this tùng, tùng, tùng. We call tùng. And then with this tom, tom, consonant so become tom. This become tam, tam. And the last one become ta, ta. Okay, tứ, túng, tóm, tám, ta. Tống, tóm, tám, ta. Okay. For this is to, right? For this is to. This is a B group consonant. So this oral become So tổ từ. Tổ tùng. Tổ tùng. Tổ tòm. Tổ tẹt, tẹt. You see the different sound of this oral. So vowel, when we use with A group consonant and B group consonant, we become this one sound. Okay, so I just review from letter K until consonant K until consonant No, with all the, not all, from vowel A until vowel E. Okay. So you just listening and you can repeat to me. Follow me from letter K, consonant K. Có, cà, kẹ, cấy, cỡ, cớ, cộ, cổ, cúa, cá, cứa, kía, kế, cái, cáo, cáu, cống, cắm, cắm, cả. Khò, khà, khá, khẹ, khấy, khợ, khớ, khộ, khố, khúa, khá, khứa, khía, khế, khái, kháy, kháo, kháu, khống, khóm, khắm, khả. Letter cổ ía, kìa, kia, kỵ, ký, cự, cứ, cụ, cú, cúa, cớ, cứa, kía, kế, kế, cấy, cố, cớ, cúng, cúm, quắm, kè. Consonant cổ ía, kìa, kia, kỵ, ký, khự, khứ, khụ, khú, khúa, khớ, khứa, khía, khế, khế, khấy, khố, khứ, khúm, khúm, khóm, khe. Letter ngô, consonant ngô. Ngô ía, nghĩa, nghĩa, nghị, nghĩ, ngự, ngứ, ngụ, ngú, ngúa, ngớ, ngứa, nghía, nghế, nghế, ngấy, ngố, ngứ, ngúm, ngúm, ngoám, nghe. And this one, letter jaw, consonant jaw. Chó á, chà, cha, chạy, cháy, chợ, chớ, chọ, chỗ, chúa, chả, chứa, chia, chế, trái, cháy, cháo, cháu, chúng, chấm, chấm, chè. Chè ấy chúng tôi cha. À, sorry for this. Chó is cha. Okay. Chò, letter chò, consonant chò. Chò á, chà, cha, chạy, cháy, chợ, chớ, chọ, chố, chúa, cháo, chứa, chia, chế, trái, cháy, cháo, cháu, chúng, chóm, chấm, chà. So letter chô, chố, chố ía, chia, chia, chị, chi, chữ, chư, chụ, chú, chúa, chớ, chứa, chia, chế, chế, cháy, chố, chớ, chúng, chóm, chè. This is chè. Okay. Big letter cho. And then cho. Cho ear, chia. Chia, chị, chi, chữ, chư, chụ, chú, chúa, chớ, chứa, chia, chế, chế, cháy, chố, chớ, chúng, chóm, chè. Nhờ, consonant nhớ, nhờ ía, nhìa, nhía, nhi, nhị, nhi, nhự, như, nhự, nhu, nhua, nhớ, nhưa, nhía, nhé, nhé, nhây, nhô, nhớ, nhúng, nhúng, nhóm, nhẹ. 日はなんか日本語、にゃ、にょ、似てる、感じる。Okay. Oh, sorry. I confused to read Japanese. Yeah. If you know Japanese, maybe you understand nhờ, nha, như, nhờ. Okay. Đò, đó, đá, đệ, đầy, đợ, đớ, độ, đồ, đúa, đá, đưa, đĩa, đế, đái, đáy, đào, đáu, đống, đóm, đám, đà. Okay. Letter thò. Há, thẹ, thấy, thợ, thờ, thộ, thố, thua, tháo, thưa, thìa, thế, thái, thái, tháo, thử, thủng, thõng, thắm, thạc. Đồ, đồ ía, đìa, đĩa, đị, đi, đự, đứ, đụ, đu, đúa, đớ, đứa, đĩa, đế, đấy, đố, đớ, đúng, đoóm, đẻ. Thổ, thổ ía, thìa, thị, thì, thự, thừ, thụ, thú, thúa, thớ, thứa, thía, thế, thầy, thổ, thử, thủng, thóm, thẻ. Nò, nó á, nẹ, nấy, nợ, nớ, nộ, nố, núa, ná, nứa, nìa, nế, nái, náy, náo, nấu, núng, nóm, nắm, nà. Tò, tò á, ta, tệ, tây, tớ, tổ, tua, táo, tứa, tía, tế, tái, tay, táo, táo, tống, tóm, tắm, ta. Thò, thò á, tha, thệ, thầy, thờ, thố, thua, tháo, thưa, thía, thế, thái, tháo, tháo, thống, thóm, thắm, tha. Tô, tia, ti, ti, tự, tư, tụ, tu, tua, tớ, tứa, tía, tê, tê, tây, tô, tớ, túm, túm, toán, te. Thổ, thia, thị, thì, thự, thứ, thụ, thú, thúa, thớ, thứa, thía, thế, thế, thầy, thổ, thử, thủng, thủng, thòm, the. No, no, ear, near. Nia, nị, ni, nự, nứ, nụ, nú, núa, nớ, nứa, nia, nế, né, nấy, nố, nớ, núm, núm, nòm, nè. Okay, so I hope you can pronounce this good. So now go to writing. So for writing, today is letter to. To, yeah, okay. Start from this and this. To and ko is the same. You remember ko? So just have this one. So the similar word is ko, go, to. Yeah, the same, just different this part. Yes. Okay. Do not confuse. For hair, you can design as you want. To, like this. Okay. To. And then to. To. So letter to is the same, similar cho too, right? You see? And also similar another letter. Jo. Maybe similar jo too, but not really. Yeah. To and cho very similar of this part. So do not confuse. To. Okay. To. To. Only one time. To. See? Like we drawing. To. Yeah. So to. And then to. To. So to and to, yeah. Not the same, right? Just similar, but not really similar. I think to is similar cho, but cho don't have like this, right? Okay, to and cho similar. Also similar cho, not really, but yeah, to and cho is similar, so do not confuse. To, okay, to, no, no, like that, no, yeah, the same to, only one time. Some people say like that. It's okay too. Like feeling like chore. If they do like that, look like chore. Okay. So you can write no two style. This style okay or this style also okay. No. For me, I like this one. Okay. No. To, no. So for food or like this, to chừng to. To. Chừng to and chừng to is different. You see the different one. To is like that, to is like this. Okay. To is opposite from nhô. You remember nhô? This one is wrong. Nhô. like feeling this look like you but not you. Ngo is like that. The food also very easy to confuse, so be careful. And letter to like this, like that, just like that. Letter food and to food like this. Okay, like letter B. And no food is a bit difficult. 1, 2 is the no. No, no food, no leg. Okay. And then vowel. Today we learn vowel L, right? L or O, like that. So the consonant be middle. Example, tao, to ao, tao, like that. Tao. Okay. It's almost the same. We last time we learned tao like that. Eh? So tao we just up. Okay, tao. Example, tao is like this. Tao like this. Okay, almost the same. Tao tao. Okay, so tao. So okay, so So the consonant will be in the middle like this. So the same to, tum. Okay, tum. And then the next one is sla So to tam. Okay, it's upside thumbs, and then is sla Slam is from Sra and Sraam. Sraom is from Sraam and Srao. You know, it's only this Sraam, and it's only this is Srao. And Sraam and Srao together we call Sraom. And Sraam from Sraam and Sra. And if they together become Sraam. This is a combined consonant as combined vowel. Sraam. Example, to, tam. Okay. Co, cam. Like that. And the last one is sa'a. Sa'a is like this. To, ta. Okay. Two cycle. Ta. Okay, so about example. Like today, from last week too, we learned to. So this is tao. Tao. Tao is lion. Lion. Tao. Okay, tao. I like lion. ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តតោ and another um okay តោ okay and then ទៅ okay ទៅទៅទៅ it mean go ខ្ញុំទៅខ្ញុំទៅខ្ញុំទៅណាអ្នកអូខេនុតទៅណា okay example នុត my name is នុត right no ស្រៈអុនិងត all consonant and vowel we learned already នុត my name is like that នុត NUT right នុត but when I write my name become egg like this នុតទៅណា tới go right ណា is for question mark នៅទៅណា where you go ទៅណា it mean where ទៅណាណា plus go become mean where you go ទៅណា where not go នៅទៅណាខ្ញុំទៅ okay and then I said ខ្ញុំទៅខ្ញុំ learn already right call right call and then no this is no this is call and then ខ្ញុំ this ណា this we learn today ស្រអមខ្ញុំ so ខ្ញុំទៅណាខ្ញុំទៅខ្ញុំI ask នុតទៅណា where នុត go ខ្ញុំទៅខ្ញុំទៅណាខ្ញុំទៅខ្ញុំទៅខ្ញុំទៅខ្មែរ no ខ្ញុំទៅចិន I find the word that we learn already ចិន okay this is ចអែចេនិង no ចិន we learn today right ចេចិន we call ចិនខ្ញុំទៅចិន I go to China because we learn already or I go this ចិន right or I said I go to Thai Thailand I go to Thailand Thor this is Thor right and this is Thai you see it's very easy if you remember the vowel and consonant clearly okay so for today the word that I teach you is tao lion tới go where you go អ្នកទៅណា my name not ទៅណា okay and I reply ខ្ញុំទៅចិន I go to China ខ្ញុំទៅថៃ I go to Thailand so all the word I write today you learn already so you can double check I will write in the description in my video so you can check one by one which word that you already learned okay I hope you can speak Khmer and remember all the Khmer consonant and vowel thank you so much សូមអរគុណច្រើនជំរាបលា bye bye